his best, but not a song to pleasure my unrest, or touch the tears unwept of bitter love. Some spake me thought with pity, some as if in jest. To every word of every bird I listened and replied as it behoved. Sweet, 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 pretty lovey, come and meet me here. Challenge, quoth I, be dumb a while in fear. Thy darling proved no better than a cheat, and never come or fly when wintry days appear. Yet from a twig, with voice so big, the little fowl his utterance did repeat. Then I, the man forlorn, hears earth send up a foolish noise aloft. And what'll do, what'll he do, scoff? The blackbird standing in an ancient thorn, then spread his sooty wings and flitted to the croft. With cackling laugh, the wide being half enraged called after, giving back his scorn. Poor smoke, the thrush died, died. Oh, could he do it, could he do it? Nay. Be quick, here, 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 here. Take heed, then why? See now, he draw back, run away. Oh, thrush, be still, or at thy will, seek some less sad interpreter than I. Air blue, air and white, whither I flee, whither, oh, whither, oh, whither I flee. Thus the lark hurried mounting from the lea. Hills, countries, many waters glittering bright. Whither I see, deeper, 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 whither I see. Gay Lar, I said, the song that's bred in happy nest may well to heaven make flight. Something sad, I half remember, piped a broken strain. Full song, sweet robin, robin sung again. Spring's opening, cheerily, cheerily be we glad. Which moved, I wist not why, me melancholy mad. Till now grown meek, with wetted cheek, most comforting and gentle thoughts I have.